Kikariki! Hello everybody, this is Takanashi Kiara from Whole Life English, and I am here to announce that I have been chosen as an ambassador for Vice Schwartz! Yay! I am very honored to be in such a position, and I hope that with me and the other ambassadors power together, we can share Vice Schwartz all over the world, and we can spread the love and interest for it to get more and more people to play it. Yeah, with us. I heard that whole life cards are pretty powerful, and my cards especially. So yeah, you guys are gonna use them to play with them, and I also want to practice a lot to get really good if possible. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my best. Let's celebrate the 15-year anniversary of Vice Schwartz together, and let's Vice Schwartz! Yay! よろしくお願いします。